What's up, fellow creators? If you are tired of brittle 3D prints ruined by moisture, or you are finally ready to step into the amazing world of multicolor printing, you are in the right place. Welcome back to Best Product. Today, we are exploring the best filament dryer on the market to help you achieve flawless prints every single time. Let's get started. Creality's CFS Filament Dryer brings an incredibly intelligent approach to handling your materials, making it an absolute game-changer for multi-material printing. When you spend hours on a complex project, the last thing you want is for wet filament to ruin the final result. That is exactly where the Creality CFS Filament Dryer steps in to protect your valuable materials. This device is not just a standard dry box, it is a fully integrated ecosystem designed to support vibrant, multicolor projects while keeping your filament in absolute pristine condition. Keeping your materials dry and ready to go is the secret to high-quality success. Let us talk about the sheer creative power this machine unlocks. Out of the box, a single unit handles 4 separate spools, but if you want to push your creativity to the absolute maximum, you can actually link up to 4 individual CFS units together. This incredible capability enables you to print with up to 16 different filament colors in a single print job. Imagine creating highly detailed figures or intricate mechanical parts with 16 distinct colors without ever needing to pause the machine or manually swap out a spool. This completely expands your creative possibilities and transforms the way you approach your designs. Plus, because you can load multiple materials at once, you can easily use specialized breakaway or water-soluble support materials. This simplifies your post-processing phase immensely, allowing for exceptionally fast support removal, so you do not have to spend tedious hours scraping or sanding your finished models. At the very heart of the Creality CFS Filament Dryer is an incredibly intelligent filament handling system that completely removes the usual technical guesswork. It uses built-in RFID tags on the filament spools to automatically synchronize with your printer. In the past, setting up a multicolor print meant manually typing in which color was loaded into which specific slot, which could easily lead to frustrating mistakes. With this smart system, your filaments are instantly matched to the correct G-code color programmed into your sliced file. This guarantees precise printing without the need for any manual adjustments on the screen. It is a brilliant plug-and-play setup that allows users to focus entirely on their designs, rather than stressing over complex printer configurations. You just drop the spool into the chamber, and the machine figures out the rest. We all know the heartbreak of checking on a massive print only to find it failed because the filament snapped. The Creality CFS Filament Dryer completely eliminates that fear once and for all. It guarantees uninterrupted printing with highly advanced built-in break and tangle sensors. These smart sensors constantly monitor your filament conditions in real time as the spool unwinds. If the machine detects a sudden knot or a break in the line, it immediately knows how to handle the situation to save your project from failing. Even better, the system features a brilliant automatic filament switch and relay function. If you are working on a massive project and one spool completely runs out of material, the dryer will automatically and seamlessly switch to the next loaded spool of the same color and continue the print job. This is an absolutely fantastic way to use up all those nearly empty spools you have lying around your workshop without worrying about running out of plastic while you are asleep or away at work. Of course, we cannot ignore the physical design and the core drying features of the Creality CFS Filament Dryer. The system features fully sealed compartments that completely lock out the ambient room moisture. On the front of the unit, you will find beautiful, easy-to-read real-time temperature and humidity displays. This allows you to monitor the exact climate inside the box at a quick glance, ensuring your sensitive materials remain in peak condition. The sealed environment prevents that annoying stringing and bubbling that comes from using wet filament. By combining smart technology with robust environmental control, this system takes the frustration out of material management. Stop letting tangled spools and wet plastic ruin your amazing creations. Check the price link in the description to grab yours today and elevate your workshop setup. Please make sure to like and subscribe to Best Product for more awesome gear and helpful technology guides. Thank you so much for watching. Keep on creating, and we will catch you in the next video.